Windows are a crucial part of any home, providing natural light, ventilation, and a connection to the outdoors. However, in Houston, where the weather ranges from sweltering summers to occasional heavy storms, windows often bear the brunt of the elements. Over time, they may develop issues that can compromise your home's comfort, energy efficiency, and aesthetic appeal. Here's a look at the most common window problems in Houston homes and how to fix them. Drafty windows. Houston's hot, humid summers make air conditioning a necessity, but drafty windows can send your energy bills skyrocketing. Drafts occur when seals around the window weaken or the window doesn't fit snugly into its frame. This allows cool air to escape and warm air to infiltrate your home. Solution: to fix drafty windows, check the seals and caulking around the frame. Replace any deteriorated caulking and install weather stripping to create a tighter seal. If drafts persist, consider upgrading to energy-efficient windows designed for Houston's climate. Condensation between panes. Condensation forming between the panes of double-paned or insulated glass windows is a common complaint. This often signals that the seal between the panes has failed, allowing moisture to seep in. Solution: the most effective fix is to replace the affected glass unit. While it may be tempting to ignore condensation, prolonged moisture exposure can reduce the window's insulating properties and lead to mold growth. Investing in high-quality, insulated glass replacements can prevent future issues. Broken or stuck window mechanisms. Windows that won't open or close properly are not just frustrating, they can also be a safety hazard. This issue often arises due to broken locks, warped frames, or debris in the tracks. Solution: start by cleaning the tracks and lubricating them with a silicone-based spray. If the window mechanism is still stuck, check for worn-out or broken parts, such as hinges or springs, and replace them. For windows with severe warping or persistent operational issues, it may be time for a full window replacement. Cracked or broken glass. Severe weather, stray debris, or accidents can result in cracked or shattered window glass. Broken glass compromises your home's security, insulation, and appearance, making it essential to address this issue promptly. Solution: for minor cracks, a glass repair kit might offer a temporary fix. However, it's usually better to replace the pane entirely, especially if the damage impacts the window's structural integrity. If storms are a frequent concern, consider installing impact-resistant windows to minimize the risk of future damage. Foggy windows. In Houston's humid climate, foggy windows are a frequent issue. This problem is typically caused by excessive humidity inside the home or poorly insulated windows that fail to prevent temperature fluctuations. Solution: use a dehumidifier to reduce indoor moisture levels and clean your windows regularly. If fogging persists, upgrading to windows with better insulation or installing storm windows can help maintain a more consistent temperature. Rotting or warped frames. Wooden window frames, while classic and attractive, are especially vulnerable to Houston's heat and humidity. Over time, moisture can cause frames to rot or warp, affecting the window's fit and function. Solution: if the damage is minor, you can scrape away the rot, fill the gaps with epoxy wood filler, and repaint the frame. For extensive damage, replace the entire frame. To prevent future issues, consider switching to low-maintenance materials like vinyl or fiberglass. Water leaks. Heavy Houston rains can expose weak points around your windows, leading to water leaks. This not only damages your walls and flooring but can also encourage mold and mildew growth. Solution: inspect the caulking and flashing around the windows for gaps or damage. Reseal these areas with waterproof caulking and ensure proper drainage around your home. In severe cases, you may need professional window resealing or replacement. When to call a professional? While many window problems can be addressed with DIY fixes, others require the expertise of a professional. If you're dealing with multiple issues, significant structural damage, or recurring problems, consulting a window specialist can save you time and money in the long run. Preventing future window problems. To keep your windows in top condition, regular maintenance is key. Clean your windows and tracks at least twice a year, inspect seals and caulking, and address minor problems before they escalate. Additionally, investing in high-quality, energy-efficient windows tailored for Houston's climate can significantly reduce the risk of future issues. Houston's unique climate presents challenges for homeowners, but with proper care and timely fixes, your windows can remain functional, efficient, and beautiful for years to come. Whether you're tackling a draft, condensation, or more serious issues, addressing window problems promptly ensures your home stays comfortable and energy efficient.